let me show you the real earnings and real payments proof by utilizing today's easiest strategy. The amount of money displayed on your screens right now is a clear proof of this verified website and the fact that you can earn a lot from this website if you work consistently. Well, you can earn every minute by using a new app that is so awesome and fantastic that it will pay you a real and decent amount of money in a short amount of time. If you are wasting your time sitting at home and getting bored, you must install this new app and you'll be paid handsome money every day. This is the simplest way because it requires no investment or skill. Simply follow the basic instructions that we've enlisted in this video in the easiest way so you can start making things happen. I'm going to guide you with complete step-by-step information, so before going further, click on the bell icon to get updated whenever we upload our new video. Subscribe to our channel because we strive hard to provide you with the simplest and easy-to-do methods of making money online in 2022. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. If you really want to earn money every minute by merely clicking buttons, stay connected with us. I'll also provide you some bonus tips that will help you earn the 3 or 4 times as much money as other people who work on the same app. This website is 100% genuine, and I'll show you an example how to utilize this website to make some quick money. There's no fee and you can start earning right away by using this realistic app. Now you're probably wondering what kind of tool we'll implement to make money, right? So as you can see on my screen, this tool is completely free. You don't need to invest any money and you don't need any knowledge, expertise or finances to get started. This tool is a graphic design tool that allows you to create various photos according to your preferences. You might have used such relatable tools before, but don't know how to use this one, as well as how to make money with it and how it pays you back. So don't worry, I'm gonna tell you all these things in detail. Stay connected. As I previously stated, this is a graphic design tool that will assist you in creating logos, thumbnails, presentations, and a variety of other fantastic content. You don't need any graphic design abilities or expertise to use this great tool, and it's the best part. As you can see here, this is a free platform of designing tools that will provide you with fantastic stuff such as template, logos, and much more to help you start your new business and earn money online. So for that, first sign up here on Krello.com. As you have turned up here, you'll need to create an account, which is completely free. To do so, simply click the blue sign up button in the top right corner. After clicking it, the following page will appear in front of your screen with the following blanks that you must fill out correctly in order to log into your account. After you've registered your account, I'll show you how to utilize this fantastic tool to make your own graphics in about 5 minutes or less. The next step is to look for the logo in the search bar. When you search for a logo, thousands of results will emerge. These are high-quality logos that you can simply alter. So, only you have to change the color, text and design of the logo, as well as make your own visuals, and the rest will be taken care of by this website. This is a really simple work that anyone can complete with the help of this fantastic website. First, we'll choose one of the following logos. Let's say I'm gonna use this one. So all you have to do is click on any logo that you find suitable and let's customize the logo. First, I'll modify the background of this logo. To do so, click on the backdrop and then select a color from the drop-down menu. If you want to modify the text, simply double-click on it and make the design changes, like I'm doing here. After that, I'll make some other minor changes to make this logo more professional. For example, I'm going to capitalize the letter and bold the letters uppercase, lowercase in whatever design you want. Well, that was the first and more handy technique of making money online without any investment. Here's another way. By using Fiverr.com, one of the websites where we sell our skills and expertise to customers. You can also sell your services as a logo designer here. For example, you can see this person has sold his logo for $10. First, you must create an account on Fiverr.com, then create a seller account, and then you create your gig about how you can offer your services by making logos for people. It's this simple. If you search for logo design in the search bar, you can see there are a lot of people selling their logos, thumbnails, and many such designs so far, and earning handsome money so far. So creating an extra income stream would be beneficial. Anyhow, as you can see, Fiverr.com is a global platform where people from all over the world can sell their services. Thus, you can make an account and sell your skills as a logo designer. That's all for today's video. If you like it, do let us know through your comments and by hitting the like button. Do subscribe to us and smash that little bell icon so you stay updated every time we post a new video.